Okay, so today is February 23rd, Monday, and today I was kind of just thinking about my YouTube and like all the stuff that I'm trying to do, because I'm really trying to post a video, post a short, and post a Patreon post, like a Patreon discussion post every single day, and it seems, oh, and film a new video every day. So like it's been getting kind of overwhelming recently, and I've been realizing that like the quality of my videos has been going down. Like I'm happy with my editing and stuff, but really like the words I'm speaking, like when I actually film these videos, the quality has been going down because I'm just trying to like pump it out. So I guess what I've been learning from that is that like there's this quote, like you can do anything you want but not everything. And I think sometimes it's just helps me to reset and to just remember that like you can't just be doing every single thing every single day, right? You have to take it one thing at a time. And I think I don't know, I guess for me specifically, I have to just reevaluate and kind of just see like how can I make this a repeatable system so I'm not constantly stressed about my YouTube every single day. But to kind of apply this more generally, right? I guess when you're overwhelmed, I guess overwhelm is a feeling that I feel very often. I get overwhelmed very easily through different parts of life, and I guess when you get overwhelmed, you can't just keep going. You can't, like, if a engine is like breaking down, it can't just keep going, right? It has to stop and you have to fix it, and then you get back up and keep going, right? So I think sometimes it's just helpful to stop and fix your engine. Stop and fix this overwhelming sense, right? And I think the first step to doing that is just writing it down. That's something that's kind of like a staple that I've ingrained in my mind somehow. I don't know where it came from, but whenever I'm feeling stressed, whenever I'm feeling overwhelmed, whenever I have negative feelings, I try to just write it down immediately so I can externalize it and then deal with it like externally rather than internally. So you have to stop the engine before you have to stop and fix the engine before you can keep it going, right? So I'm still making these daily videos, but for me specifically, like I need to just kind of stop the engine, right? Like tomorrow I'll probably just reevaluate and just see like, okay, how can I actually make this a repeatable system? And it all just goes back to like crafting your perfect 24 hours, right? Just like making it repeatable and sustainable, but actually so you can achieve your goals, right? So there's that. But then, like I said, more generally, like if you are feeling overwhelmed with something, stressed about something, stop and write it down and just like stop the engine and fix it. Find that repeatable system. I think that's something I've been thinking about a lot lately, just like making things repeatable, like even like physically, like in my workouts, I'm trying to have good quality form and I can just make it repeatable each rep. Or my swing, like my softball swing, I'm trying to just make a repeatable swing and just adjust as needed, but just keep the same consistent swing so that I can, adjust as needed. That's something that I've been learning a lot recently, just like trying to make things repeatable so that when you do have a mistake, you can quickly adjust, right? Fix the engine, right? Yeah, I guess your takeaway for today is to just be repeatable with things, like build your systems and build them so that they're repeatable and sustainable. So physically, so like in my workouts and my softball, but also like within my YouTube system, like I need to make that repeatable so I'm not just constantly stressed every day. So yeah, that's what I've been learning recently. I had to film this quickly, but if you found this video helpful, if you have any thoughts, then I'd love a like and a comment. If you want to see more videos, then definitely subscribe. I'm posting every single day talking about what I learned that day and how I'm trying to apply it to my life and how you guys can apply it to yours. So I also have a Patreon. It's free. There's a link in the description if you want to get like diagrams and discussion posts and stuff like that. Trying to build a wholesome community. So that's that. This video is specifically recommended for you. So if you find that interesting, then definitely click on it. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.